Okay, it's me again. This has been the bed of choice right here. Um, I have been leaving the blue door open so that she can see out the glass door. I also leave this little rug here for her. You can certainly move it if you're coming in and out a lot, but when it gets really cold, obviously lots of cold air comes in through this door. So I guess it isn't imperative that you leave it open now that she's got her new little window watching spot there. And she's also got one here. If you do want to shut that door, definitely at night and when you go away, I think you probably can. But if you're around, I don't mind if the heat's running. I don't mind at all. She does love to sit here. Also, when she sits here a while, lots of times this gets really scrunched down. So if you can just kind of take the blanket off and fluff this up a little bit. Actually, I just realized I like to leave one of these pillows underneath here like this, and then put this on here because it gives her a little more, whoops, I have this the wrong way. It gives this a little more support. It's gotten really kind of squashy and squishy because of all the animals that lay on it. And then I just kind of lay this on here like this. So again, if you can just kind of fluff it up every few days so she isn't just squished down in that crack. I brought this pink chair up for Dream Circles. She loves it. She loves to sit on the back of it, so I've been leaving it there for her. Also, this pile of papers here, she just loves to play in. So I've also left that. You saw the video with her playing with her new favorite toy. This used to have something on the end of it that she never played with, this stick. And now that it's just a string since the thing fell off, she loves it. So I'll sit and do this in the papers, and she'll jump around in the papers, and then you saw the playing with her on the kitty thing is her new favorite thing. Shovel is right there on that little plastic mat if it gets wet. Okay, that's the current one for now. Super's Kitty says, "Thank you, I can't wait to see